Welcome to this tutorial about the 8960. This video will introduce you to a specific function called lead-acid battery charger, FAST. To gain access to this function, make sure that your 8960-20 is equipped with the option 8968-40, which gives access to these functions through LVDAC EMS. To access this function, proceed by selecting Power Supply mode on the front panel of the 8960, then connect the 8960 to your computer using a USB cable, and then start LVDAC EMS. Once it is fully opened, click on this icon to open the Four-Quadrant Dynamometer power supply window and select Lead-Acid Battery Charger FAST in the function selection list. Now, let's take a look at the settings of this function. Maximum charge current. This sets the maximum charge current of the function. This setting should not exceed the maximum charge current of the battery pack you were using, as specified by the manufacturer. Gassing voltage. This sets the gassing voltage to a certain value in order to protect the battery pack from overvoltage. 0.1C current. Sets the charging current rate according to the battery pack you are charging. This value sets the constant charging current to complete the charging process. Float voltage. Sets the float charging voltage of the function. This voltage will be applied to the battery pack once the charging current decreases to the value specified in the 0.1C current setting. Thermistor type. Choose your thermistor type in the function of what you want to protect. Type 1 is for nickel metal hydride batteries, and Type 2 is for the LabVolt motor. Status indicates if the function is started or not. Here are the meters showing the parameters of the power supply in real time, the single refresh and automatic refresh button, and finally, the start-stop button to control the function. You can also find a graph here explaining the function. As you've noticed, this function is designed to teach the basics of battery charging using lead-acid batteries. Make sure you use characteristics in accordance with the battery you are using to set the correct values in this section. This will help protect the battery packs from unwanted damage. This function is really useful to teach the fundamentals of lead-acid battery charging to students new to electricity. The 8968-40 function package also comes with a battery discharger function to introduce the students to both charging and discharging characteristics of batteries. This battery discharger uses simple settings such as discharge current and discharge duration, and also has a cutoff voltage setting to prevent deep discharge of batteries. This way you can start a discharge procedure without worry. That's it for the lead-acid battery charger and discharger function.